Wildlife photography can get pretty hectic, whether you're chasing wildlife or going to new areas and exploring, which is something we've been doing over the past couple of weeks if you've been following the channel. Today, however, we're going to take a more chilled approach. Today is going to be a relaxed POV wildlife photography video where you come with me behind the scenes and I'll tell you a bit about how I take the photos, and hopefully you'll pick up some tips and tricks along the way. With me, I have my Canon 7D Mark II and my Sigma 150 to 600mm lens. This is the setup that I use most often, so I'm hoping we can use it to get some awesome wildlife photos. On my chest here, I have the DJI Action 2, which I'm going to be using to film the behind the scenes footage. So you'll see everything that we get up to on this walk, and I'm hoping you enjoy it and can take this time to relax in nature. Today we have a lot of ground to cover, so I'm going to start off for about the first half of this walk doing a lot of moving. We're going to try and cover as much ground as possible. I am what I like to call an opportunistic wildlife photographer. What that means is that I like to walk around until I find wildlife, and then I take that opportunity to photograph it. I mean, just look at this. I'm absolutely sweltering. This sun is so hot, but it is beautiful. I'm also aware it's super handy when using a telephoto lens such as this Sigma 150 to 600 because it means I have loads of light, especially if I'm shooting in this direction. Always make sure you're checking where your light source is coming from so you can make the most of that light. I believe I've got a white throat in this bush, but I'm struggling to get a clear view at it, meaning the camera can't focus. I'm having to use manual focus. Now he's just flown down, so I'm gonna stalk him quietly and slowly. Oh my word, that's so frustrating. I got the picture just as it was jumping off the branch. There, there's one up there. Oh my word, they appear for a second and then they're gone. The reaction speed that I need is insane. I'm just gonna patiently wait and hope that they forget that I'm here. There is a skylark hovering in this field. Now it's very far away and it's against a clear sky, so that's going to be difficult to photograph, but skylarks are so beautiful. Let's see if I can get closer. Just dive down into this field. Now they do this to display their territory, and so now it's low down on the ground. Fingers crossed I'll be able to spot it. That being said, in this field it can hide within the foliage. There it is. Oh, it's on the wrong side of the fence. Right, just make a speedy walk around here. I also want to be quiet, so trying to tread super lightly. Last time I saw him, he was just beyond these hay bales here. There he is. He's gone again. Okay, I believe there was a meadow pipit. I believe there was a meadow pipit just here, I kid you not. Just here, hunkered down in the grass. Now they camouflage so well, but because I was looking for the skylark, I saw him there and I was like, oh my word. Now, I actually can't tell you 100% that it wasn't the skylark, but I believe it was a meadow pipit. I will put what it is next to the photo, and here it is. Ow, 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 ow. I have just brushed my hand against that nettle and that has gone all across my wrist. Oh, that's painful. Kid you not, I have a red kite sitting in this field. This is incredible. We've had skylarks, we have a linnet just sitting on the fence over here singing. We have a red kite landed in this field. He keeps taking off and landing again. So I'm getting some fantastic video of the red kite. He's a bit too far away to take pictures of, and while I was up in the Chilterns on my road trip, I got tons of photos of them, but I got very few good videos. So now we're getting a good video. Also, if you haven't watched my road trip in the Chilterns, it was an absolute blast. You need to go and watch it. It's 100% worth it. We have left the farm and we're now in more of a field. On this side, there's a ton of long grass, and on the other side, there is a canal. But in this grass, I can hear a ton of crickets. So I'm going to try and find a cricket, and then I'm going to hold this mic up to it so you get to listen. I'm going to have to get a picture of that. That is an enormous cricket. I mean, look at that guy.